In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion to n8n. This is a really handy way to automate your workflows and get more organized without constantly switching between different platforms. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to open n8n. Once you're in, you want to create a new workflow. It's like opening a new canvas where we can start piecing together our automation magic. Think of this as setting the stage for what's to come. It's where everything will unfold and connect. Now within this new workflow, we need to add what's called a Notion node. In n8n, nodes are essentially the building blocks of your workflow. Adding a Notion node is like signaling to n8n, hey, I'm going to work with Notion here. To do this, simply find the option to add a node and select Notion from the list. Moving on, you'll see an option to click on Create New Credential. This is a crucial step because it's where you link your Notion account with n8n. Credentials are essentially the keys that allow these two platforms to talk to each other. When you're creating these credentials, you'll need to choose an authentication method. You have two main choices here: API Integration Token or OAuth2. Each has its own specific use case, so let's go over them briefly. The API Integration Token is recommended if you're just working within a single workspace. It's straightforward and perfect for when you're the sole user managing a specific project or team. Now, if you're planning a larger scale integration, perhaps something that's going to be used by multiple different workspaces or users, OAuth2 is what you might want to consider. This method is a bit more robust and is designed for public integrations, offering more flexibility when multiple users are involved. Assuming you're setting this up for an internal integration, you'll opt for the API Integration Token. Here, you'll see a field labeled Internal Integration Secret. In this, you'll paste the token you've previously copied from Notion. This token is unique to your Notion account and acts like a passcode, granting n8n secure access to your Notion workspace. Once you've pasted in the correct token, take a moment to check everything's in order, and then go ahead and save the credential. Saving is critical because it finalizes the link between Notion and n8n, allowing you to move forward with your workflow setup. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Notion to n8n. By following these steps, you've set up a powerful connection that can streamline tasks and improve productivity. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our videos for additional automation tips and tricks.